Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawin dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this seller. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss DNA Season 3 Queen of the Multiplex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to start by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy. At minsan si Baby. Sa Pira-Pirasok, Paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawakes ni Binibining Liza Andayo. And I always believe si Biz Amar Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 6. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.